everyone, my name is Saria. Today we will play the quiz game but part B. For last video we have been put first letter part A quiz game. If you didn't see, I'll give the link top of my video. So check and watch. Let's continue. I'm around. Kids throw and kick me. You play games with me. Time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is ball. Let's start. I have wings. I can fly in the sky. I lay eggs. Time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is bird. I have many pages. You read me. You find me in the school and library. Time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is book. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. So let's continue. I'm a fruit. I'm yellow. Monkey love me. Time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is banana. I'm a big vehicle. I carry many people. You see me on the road. That your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is bus. You sleep on me. I'm soft. I am in your bedroom. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The, the answer is bed. I'm colorful. I have wings. I come from a caterpillar. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is a butterfly. Super. Thank you for watching.